What's up, everyone? I've got a 1998 GMC Yukon SLT four-wheel drive. This Yukon is 100% rust-free, spotless clean underneath. It's got nice shiny paint. It's got a few dings and dents here and there. It runs and lot drives, but the engine is knocking, so needs repairs or replace the engine. Looks pretty nice. Typical wear on the driver's seat. It's got 149,000 miles. Underneath is amazingly clean. Rust-free door seams. Super clean engine compartment. Looks like new AC, looks like a new alternator, new booster, new master cylinder. Seems to run good, but the engine's knocking, so probably main bearing or a rod bearing. Got a couple dings right here. Got a little ding there. And some dings there. Otherwise, looks pretty darn good. If you're looking for a rust-free project, this is it. Throw an engine in it and you'll have a nice vehicle that'll last you a long time. If you want to hear it run or see it drive, show up with a trailer, and after you pay for it, you can drive it on your trailer. Thanks for watching.